Tech Guy here. Today we are back with another case review for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is a case I just got in from the company YouMaker. Now it's a clear style case. It's a clear style bumper, TPU, has a hard backing. I want you to pay attention for the end of the video because I have another one right here. I will be giving this one away. On to this. So iPhone 11 Pro Max, clear casing, goes on, snaps on just like that. And when you first get this, it's going to have tape on the inside and on the outside just to keep fingerprints off of it and getting it from scratched up. But this is an anti-scratch material. It's not going to fade. It's not going to turn yellow. Your camera bump is hidden right there. You get a slight recess and it's a slight raised edge right around that camera so you don't get it scratched up. Everything looks good. Cutouts match up along the bottom. We're going to turn it over. Our buttons match up. Do we get a bezel? There is a slight bezel around the edges, so if that screen drops, you have a little bit of protection, but I still would suggest a screen protector on this phone. Camera, buttons, bottom, everything looks pretty good. And if you want to see that nice color of your iPhone through here, this is one of the best cases that you can get because it's nice and transparent all the way around. You get the hard backing, you get the thick rubber edges. What more could you ask for? So in order for you to win this case, just drop me a message below in the comments. Let me know why you want it, what color iPhone you're getting, and I'll pick a winner at random. So I'll be sure to give a big shout out to the winner. So I will announce that winner on the day that the iPhones drop. So leave your comments. Thanks. So this is a clear shell from the company YouMaker. I'll be sure and drop a link below so you can check this out for yourself. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.